Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore backup and how to transfer data on the TCL 605. Okay, so first I'll show you how to transfer data from your old device into your TCL, and as a second method I'll show you how to restore the backup from the Google one. So, as you can see, we are doing the setup process. In here, simply select your language and click on Start. In here, click on I agree. You can join the Improvement Experience program, it's up to you. In here we have the parental controls. If you want, you can connect to the mobile network. And now we need to connect to the Wi-Fi, so that's what I'm going to do right now. I need to type my password, so just give me a second. Then click on Connect. Okay. Then click on once again on your connected Wi-Fi to go through. Okay, checking for updates. This might take a few minutes, so we just need to be patient and wait until this loading screen is finished. It shouldn't take that much time, so don't worry. Simply wait until it's done. Okay, and now we have a possibility to copy apps and data. We need to click on Next. Click on Next once again. We can use the cable if we have the one that fits. It requires, in my case, USB-C to USB-C cable. If you don't have a cable that fits, click on No Cable and click on Copy Without. We can do it wirelessly using our Wi-Fi. Let's click on Next. That's the way I'm going to show you. Okay, now on our second device we need to open up the Google app. Let's click on Next. We can use the voice command. We can say, okay, Google, set up my device. Or we can type set up my device manually. I'll just use the manual option. Set up my device. Okay, now click on Next. In here, we can also click on Next. Our device now is searching for other devices. Okay, now verify the shapes on both devices. If they are the same, click on Next. Now click on Copy. Now our account is being copied. Okay, now we need to verify that it's actually us. We need to type the password to our Google account on which we were logged in on our previous device. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Simply type your password. And then click on Next. Okay. Now again, we need to wait. Alright, getting ready to copy. This might take a few minutes, so we just need to simply be patient and wait until it's fine. And until it's done. Okay, and now we can choose what we want to copy. In my case, I want everything to be copied except my apps. I only want messages, call history, photos and videos, and the device settings. Once you have selected everything that you want, click on Copy. Now the process will start, so we just need to simply be patient until it's finished. Okay, now we have options to set date and time. In here, simply click on Next. We can also set up the fingerprint. I'm going to skip that process, we can always do it later on the settings. Same thing with the pin. and the face unlock. Now we have the Google services. In here, simply scroll down and click on accept. And now we have a possibility to enable backup options. They are really useful, so I'll keep them enabled. Now click on turn on, but everything is up to you. Now we can also see on our second device that everything has been successfully copied. And we can click on close now. Now we can choose the default browser and the search engine. Click on next. Select your default browser. In my case, I'll select the Google Chrome and Google as my search engine. Click on set as default. Now click on continue. Now we can enable to let contacts nearby find and share with us. I'll agree to that. Okay. Now we have the Gemini, which is our personal AI assistant. We can enable the Hey Google sentence to launch the Gemini. I'll turn it on. Okay, in here I'm going to click on no thanks. Copying is finished. Messages, call history, photos and videos, and the device settings has been copied. Now click on done. Okay. Select your home screen style now. Then click on next. Select your navigation method. It can be buttons or the gestures. In here you can see a demo, how to use them. Click on next. Click on finish. And now our setup has been completed. Okay, now our device will be restarted to apply all the changes, and then it will be ready to use. Okay, so that was the first method, and now let me show you how to restore the backup using the Google one. Okay, so now again we are doing the setup process, and I'll show you how to restore the backup using Google one. So now again, let's click on start, let's click on agree. We can join the user program, click on got it, click on skip, or if you want to connect, you can always do it. Now again, connect to your Wi-Fi. That's what I'm going to do right now. Click on connect. Okay. Now we need to wait a few minutes, so I'll see you once it's finished. Okay, again, copy apps and data. We want to click on next, and now this time we need to click that we cannot use other device. Now click on OK. Now we should have a possibility to log in into our Google account. Yeah, here it is. And now, really important thing. Now we need to log in into the same Google account on which we made the backup before. Also, if you don't know how to create such a backup, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how to do it step by step, so if you want, you can look for it. So now, log in into your Google account. Okay, just like that, and now we need to type our password. Then click on next. Just like that. Click on next once again. Click on agree. Now let's wait a few seconds. And now we have possibility to restore data from another device, and we can choose our backup, as you can see right in here. In here we have a list of all backups that were made on this account. And now select the backup that you want, then click on next. Also need to use the lock screen from the moment before the backup, and now simply choose what you want to restore. In here we have a list of all apps. Simply select the things that you want or don't want to copy. Then click on restore. Now the process will start. Okay. And now again, date and time, all that stuff that I was showing you before. I'm going to rush it through If you want to know what it is, go into our previous method. Now the Google services, simply click on accept. When it comes to the backup, I'm going to turn it on because it's useful. Now, default browser and the search engine, I want Chrome and Google. Click on continue. In here, I'll click on agree. I'll also enable the Hey Google sentence. Click on no thanks. Again, getting the phone ready. So I'll see you once it's finished. Oh, actually it was really fast. And now select your home screen style. Then click on next. Select your navigation mode, buttons or the gestures. Then click on next. Setup complete. Click on finish. Now wait up to a few seconds. Okay. Now our device will be restarted and then it will be ready to use. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.